Hi there, I'm Kim Khan,
And I'm Sharon Lerner.
and we're here to do the exciting draw
Yes.
on the inaugural day of the World Cup in Brazil. We are having a World Cup cook-off, and the first part of this challenge is to make a roast chicken. And how it's World Cup related is we're going to draw out of a hat a letter representing one of the 8 groups that the teams are separated into for the World Cups for the opening round. And then the person has to use at least one of those countries as an influence for his or her roast chicken.
Right, so you've got like 4 different countries in a group, so
Yep.
you could have a combination of 2 or just use one flavor profile from the one country.
Or, be really brave and try and do all 4.
All 4? Yeah, you could probably do something.
Yep.
But that is a lot of
That is, yeah. That's a lot of
flavors.
fusion.
Yeah, that could be.
So, let's get this going. Sharon, I've got the special World Cup straw boater here. You can pick first.
Ta-da! I can see those.
You can?
No, they're upside down.
Yeah.
Oh, I got E.
Group E. Okay, let's check out Group E. You've got Switzerland, Ecuador, France, and Honduras.
Okay, then.
I'm sensing a classic French roast chicken coming up.
I know, right? With a bit of cheese.
Yeah.
The Swiss influence.
Yeah.
Or
Swiss
chocolate.
French.
Yeah, it's got a little chocolate. I
Yeah,
don't know.
that could be nice.
Yeah, I'll have to check out. I have no idea what Ecuadorians eat.
No? We have to,
No,
yeah, to research
I'm gonna
that.
have
That'd
to
be
do
fun.
some research into those countries, Ecuador and Honduras. I don't know what their national cuisines are like.
Cool.
All right.
All right.
I think I got the best one.
I know.
Try on France.
France. All right, let's see what I get. I have Group A.
Group A. Who's in Group A?
I have Brazil, Croatia, Mexico, and Cameroon.
Cameroon.
That's fun.
That's not bad. That's
Yeah.
pretty good. Yeah.
Little flavors. Mexican could be the easiest
Yeah,
one, I
that's
guess,
easy
to do
for
Mexican influenced.
Right. Mole sauce.
Right, exactly. Mole chicken.
Yeah,
That would be nice.
chilies, tomatoes.
I'm interested though. Brazilian, a lot of meat. Brazilian cuisine. I don't really know much about Croatian cuisine, so that's gonna be fun to learn.
No, me either.
So,
And
so
what about Cameroon?
yeah, I don't know.
We're sorry. We apologize.
Yes, for our lack of.
total ignorance.
It's of yes.
Like we have no idea what you eat there.
But we will be learning soon.
Yes,
so.
we will know soon to try and influence.
So you
Okay.
should check in on our Twitter account and on doshibu.tv, and we'll be posting updates on when we come up with our recipes, and then we'll be having our cook-off, and then we'll be going on to the next stages of the quarterfinals for some more cooking challenges, and there's also a blog up, right?
Yeah, there's going to be blogs, so you can go and check it out there. And we're going to put on some polls as well, so you can tell us what you think.
Yeah, because
Or just
recipes.
tweet at us,
Yeah.
I like this one or I don't like this one. See what you think.
Yep.
Yeah.
So stay tuned.
Okay. Take care. Thanks.
Enjoy the World Cup.
Yeah.